What is your dream trip?
Shopping, cute cafes, nature, and really good food.
Should we go to Thailand?
Thailand?
Thailand. Okay, let's manifest this trip. Close your eyes. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Over. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this week's vlog, we are no longer in Penang, Malaysia. My best friend Haruka and I planned a girls trip to Chiang Mai, Thailand. We did so much together and I can't wait to show it to you. Guess who's here? Made it to Chiang Mai. It is currently drizzling. The weather is a little rainy.
Beautiful though.
And we're off to a coffee shop. So Haruka and I met each other when I was working at a school in South Korea, and we both connected very quickly on a lot of things, and one of those things is cafe hopping. Haruka is definitely a coffee connoisseur, and if you've been to Korea, you know that there are endless cafes. So needless to say, we were loving the cafe culture in Chiang Mai. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
This is crazy.
The prettiest cafe ever. Okay, take a sip. Tell us what you think.
Dirty, my first dirty latte. Wow. This is so
Pretty good. This cafe called Klay was very close to our hotel, and we kept coming back here every chance we got because the food was delicious and it was the perfect place to start and plan our day. And by plan our day, I mean wander aimlessly around our neighborhood, go into cute stores, pop into cafes, no agenda, no rush, and really it's just a perfect girls' day. I have to say, as a thrift lover myself, I'm very impressed with the vintage shopping culture here in Chiang Mai. I did not expect this. There were also a huge amount of stores with very specific and beautiful handmade goods. Haruka and I are both teachers at different international schools, and so we have the whole summer to relax, to explore, and to travel, definitely. I had only spent a little amount of time in Thailand, and I'm so glad that we went to Chiang Mai because my only real impression of Thailand was Bangkok, and wow, Chiang Mai is so different. I love the vibe here, and this specific place, One Nimman Square, is this gorgeous Italian-looking architecture square where there is a different market every day of the week, it feels like. Haruka and I really love cafes, but we also love food, especially Thai food. So we had to try out so many different dishes at every restaurant we could find. I love trying out different foods, and I love when my friends let me try their food as well. Haruka and I actually chatted about how fun it is to connect with people over food. And when you share food and you mix everything around on the table, then you get the best of both worlds. Okay, this soup was so delicious. Oh, it's storming. Whoa. This is rainy season in Thailand. So remember the vintage clothing scene that I talked about earlier? This is what I'm talking about. Underneath the beautiful mountains, there is massive vintage markets selling everything you can think of: boots, shoes, clothes, bags. There was so much denim as well. This is just one of the markets that we went to, and I loved the vibe here. Also, should I have purchased this giant hair clip? Oh, it's just too funny. One of the vendors had this cute little dog, and everyone was so sweet, letting us play with it. I love the culture in Thailand. Next to all of the clothing and like fashion items stalls, there are tons of food stalls set up, which meant after our shopping, we had to eat some delicious street food. After our delicious appetizer at the market, we were still hungry, so we went and found a ramen shop. This reminded us so much of our trip to Japan when we went to Summer Sonic together. That was such a fun trip, and it's on my YouTube channel if you want to check it out. Another love that Haruka and I share is going dancing. So we got all dressed up to see the nightlife in the town, and we got distracted by yet another vintage shopping market. This was in one Nimman Square at night, and it had so much stuff. I loved looking at all of the beaded and embroidered purses. We also noticed that everyone who was a vendor, like at their own little stall, they all had such cool style. Such a great vibe here. From Chiang Mai. I almost said Bangkok. Good morning from Chiang Mai. We're gonna go get some brunch. Cafe is so pretty. We've just been sitting here relaxing, chatting. Like, we have so much to do today, and we just can't stop looking at this beautiful view and just chit-chatting, drinking our coffee. Oh, I love Chiang Mai. This area is called Baan Kang Wat, and it is a stunning place that you have to go to if you are planning a trip to Chiang Mai. It's an artist's village that is completely filled full of different shops and restaurants, cafes, art galleries. You can even enter some of the galleries and do a hosted art activity. You can also even spot some wildlife like we did of this beautiful blue lizard on this tree. This entire creative community area is definitely a must-see. And the matcha that we had was delicious. The coffee was so yum. But I have to say, the atmosphere of the whole place, you could spend the entire day here. It was just that good. While we were in Chiang Mai, we had to try Khao soy. It is a creamy, rich, signature noodle dish that is from northern Thailand. It's got this delicious coconut curry that I was so excited to try out. We are currently at the cutest cafe restaurant we have ever seen in our life. Are you ready for this view?
Reveal.
Are you ready? Reveal in 3, 2, 1. But oh, just look at the land. Look at your kingdom.
Like, this is the best spot.
Yeah, wait, go like a.
Ready?
Okay, ready, go.
You see how I put my shell on?
The cow soy has arrived. We are talking a platter full of delicious noodles.
Oh, it looks so good.
Are you kidding? Oh! Are you kidding me? Oh my god. A cute little lime.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Do we pour all of these in? Yes? Let's do it.
And then chili.
Okay. Chili.
Flakes or whatever.
Chili flakes, spicy. Are you doing all of it? Oh! Okay.
Then
Whoa. Oh, spicy.
it is like spice
The
curry.
coconut? Wow, that's good. After our day spent at the village, oh, it was perfect. Haruka, of course, found a dog like she always does. And then we decided to go to our favorite massage place. We could not stop going back here. The ambiance was beautiful. Everyone was so nice and welcoming. It definitely cost a bit more than a normal kind of everyday massage place. But wow, the foot massages were out of... I love you, Thailand.
You know, this is actually the best lighting for
What? Is this okay? Okay, we just had the best experience at our spot, but should we go here?
Wait, can I?
Look at you in front. Oh.
Wait, you said how much?
First bright blue sky we've seen in 2 days.
Yes, look at this.
Wow. Look at this blue sky. This is gonna get copyrighted.
Look at these
This seriously was the best start to our little Thailand trip. I'm so glad you watched this video. Thank you so much for clicking on it. And if you would like to see more Thailand video travel content, stay tuned because I am creating a part 2, a part 3, and probably a part 4 of this trip because we did so much and I took so many videos. Anyway, see you in the next one. Bye.